And today we prank. I'm with my boy.
Hi guys, I'm Tabo, aka Dobrik.
Dubber Boy.
And today we're doing prank calling. We're prank calling people. Yeah, you know it, right? So now we're gonna start with.
Am I speaking to Mrs. Mulapo?
Come again?
Am I speaking to Mrs. Mulapo?
Yes.
So, ma'am, we actually called you to say that you stand a chance to win a Norris competition. All you have to do is do a sound of a cow.
Oh, wow. All right.
So, may you please do the sound of the cow, please?
Yes,
Oh, thank you, ma'am. And please can you give us your banking details so that we can give you up your prize and your money? You just won $2 million. Oh, rands.
yes, I'm going to give you. Please call me back after 6 or 5 minutes.
Please sound like a cow again.
Come again?
Please sound like a cow again.
Wow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Seriously.
The next day.
Yes, guys, go.
Hello?
Hello, sir, am I speaking to Mr. Dube?
Hello?
Hello,
Yeah.
am I speaking to Mr. Dube?
Hello?
Am I speaking to Mr. Dube?
Yes.
Sir, we just called you and we wanted to say that you won a competition from Norrox. All you have to do to claim your money is sound like a goat.
How much money I will get?
10K.
Oh, okay.
Right, sir. So now, can you send us your banking details?
Yeah, I'll give you my banking details.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So guys, in the meantime, as I said before, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Don't forget to comment and yeah.